Alright guys, so I was wrong. I said that the DJI Mini did not come with a bunch of stuff. Turns out they did actually give it to me. It's in this little pouch here, and what you'll find inside here is a whole bunch of stuff, which I'll show you in a second. But just remember that there's this extra little pouch here, and I didn't know about it. It comes with this little tag that I didn't read where it says accessories inside. So I thought that the only one that they had was this front pouch here, and that one was hidden, so I was looking in there, and obviously it wasn't in there, because that's not where the accessories go. Just read the tag, right? Read the tag. But anyway, what you get is the screws and the props. Let me see, looks like there's 2 in here, 2 in here, so that's a total of 4. And you get how many bags? You get 3 bags, so yeah. Let's see if there's screws in each of these. Looks like, yeah, so you get 3 sets of props here. Just like that. Then there's this thing here, I don't know what it is, but I'll open it up for you guys so you can see, and we can all be amazed at the cool thing that's in here. I don't know. What is it? It looks like a screwdriver. Okay, well, and I destroyed the packaging. Ah, it's pretty cute, you gotta say. I like it. Cool, so you get one of those, and I was wrong, you also get 2 of the extra thummy majiggies. What do you call these? I don't know, sticks, maybe? I don't know. For the remote, so I was wrong about that too. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. At least if I find out that I was wrong in a previous video, I always make an updated video to make sure I'm not just talking all kinds of garbage. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon.